The following video is a test demonstration of our TDL wood door construction quality. Please do not try this at home. From the factory, our wood doors are so tightly sealed that even when water is directly poured on the glass, it does not leak through to the other side. While a wood door with a proper overhang would never come in contact with this amount of water, this shows the superior construction our TDL doors have when you first purchase them. At the same time, note how easily the unfinished wood absorbed the water. If a wood door is not immediately properly finished, once the wood becomes saturated with water, it will leak through to the other side, no matter how well the door is initially constructed. The preceding video was for test demonstration purposes only. Getting an unfinished wood door wet will void the warranty and could cause problems like warping and splitting. Please remember, wood doors must be finished immediately. Only install in a location with an overhang so it will never be in direct contact with the elements. Depending on the install location, additional silicone may need to be reapplied around the glass.